Huh?
Nature, man. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. You know, we should get back out into nature, just like be a part of it again, you know?
Like Africa?
No, maybe Africa, but just, you know, anywhere the nature is, we can just be there.
Let's go camping, man.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go camping.
It's gonna be great.
No, it's what we're supposed to do. Like just like these animals here. Man, they're just living and being in nature, and that's all they need. They're perfectly happy.
I want to be there.
Yeah, because really we're just animals too. You know?
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Let's do it tonight, man. I got some camping gear.
okay, yeah, let's go. Let's do it tonight. Start as soon as possible, because I'm ready.
Alright, man, let's go. Turn off this show. What?
Thanking her for her oxygen. Oh. She's providing us with shade. Ow. Ow. So you want to set up the tent?
No, I don't have a tent.
You don't have a tent? What's in your backpack?
Nothing.
You didn't bring a tent?
No, I brought the backpack.
Why?
I always see camping people with backpacks and stuff.
Alright, what are we supposed to do?
Just lay, man. It's awesome.
Yeah, maybe you're right. We'll just let Mother Nature provide it. It'll be alright. Ow. Ow.
It's hotter than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, I'm getting real sweaty. I can get a lot of bugs crawling on me right now.
God. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
You go up your nose?
Yeah.
Ow!
What are you
Ow.
doing?
Oh, I think I just got
What are you doing?
stung by a wasp.
Get stung by a wasp?
No, a wasp.
Oh, a wasp.
Yes.
No, they bite. They don't sting.
No, I just
It
got
wasn't a wasp.
No, it was a wasp. It stung me with like its butt.
Thinking of a bee.
No, it was a wasp. Oh, and I think I'm allergic. It's looking kind of bad.
Oh, I think I have a survival app on my phone.
Oh.
Hurry. Hurry.
Yep.
What's it say?
I'm playing Angry Birds.
Are you serious?
Hold on.
Man, I could
hold
be-
on.
No, like.
Hey, wasps do sting.
Did you hear that?
I don't know.
It sounded like a Wolverine.
I think it was a dog.
Oh man, that wasn't a dog. That is a Wolverine if I've ever heard one.
Maybe I got like a Wolverine app on my phone. Hold on.
Where does it get? Man, we're not safe out here with this Wolverine. What does it say?
These birds are pissed.
Man, no, we gotta get out of here. We need to go home. We're not
Okay.
safe out here.
All right.
Nature sucks anyways.
Oh, God.
Stickers. Fucking nature. Yeah, kick his ass! Oh man, isn't this so much better? I love Bud Light.